Hello all. For those of you that don't know, I'm a motorcycle enthusiast, and this is my 1980 BMW R100RT. Just recently got it back on the road after some work. Had to take the carbs apart, give it a once over, replace some fluids, clean it up a bit, make sure all the wires and connections were good, do a little bit of tank work, and got a new battery, and she fired right up. Started right up. She's purring now. BMW motorcycles have a long history of reliability and durability, and I just absolutely love the Boxer engine. Took her out for a spin the other day, so keep an eye out. If you see this logo, it's going to be a motorcycle video. See ya.